A British sports car from the 1960s or 70s is a lot of things. Stylish, beautiful, exciting, but one thing it's not is reliable. As usual, jumped into my car to go and do something. It starts, not bad, but going for reverse gear, the clutch pedal drops straight to the floor. Now I'm not going anywhere. Though unreliable, there is an advantage to an old sports car like this. If you have enough technical ability to play Tetris, I think you could fix most things. First step, find the fault. Looking at the clutch master cylinder, there's no fluid, so there must be a leak. Step 2, look for the fluid. Where that is, the breach cannot be far away. Not around the master, and not anywhere on the connecting pipe. Here it is, all over the chassis rail under the slave cylinder. So step 3, fix it. Take off the part. Release the pipe union and 2 bolts and it's off. A new slave unit is around £30 and a recon kit is about £10. Once I've taken it apart, this one looks okay. So, new seals. Clean it up, fit the seals, put it back on, put new fluid in the master cylinder and bleed the air out. I'm doing this alone, so bleeding should be difficult, but as I can reach the bleed screw as well as depress the clutch, it's a doddle. It's done.